Hello, we are here to present Republica T video. It's, I think that we can all agree about what is the best user experience for watching video. It's watching video on the couch, very relaxing, but we have all different kind of user experience when it comes to video. We have mobile devices, we have gaming console, we have the web, and we have television. So we have tried to create a user experience that's the same on all different devices. We have built it thinking on three points: the full screen videos, the participation in a conversation, and the depth of information. So using the best of TV and the best of the web. So this is our app. Can you see? It's the same on all different kind of devices. You have a mobile, tablet, and television behind, and we have 4 buttons here in the bottom. That let us participate in the conversation and have more information. The green one that symbolizes the learning, it's for reading the conversation, and you have a stream or more streams of tweets and direct messages on the app. And the blue, that's the calm and the truth, it symbolizes the truth, it's to participate in the conversation. So you can send a tweet, post on Facebook, upload a video, or leave a comment simply to the app. For the television that doesn't have a keyboard, you have a second screen app on the mobile phone that talks with the television. The yellow, the color of knowledge, is for in-depth information, so you can read about other articles, photo galleries, or videos about the topics that you are watching on the video. Okay, I don't know how long I've spoken, but we have a little demo for you, if it works. This is it. Okay. Thank you for all the people that appears in the video. Yes, taken yesterday here. And we have a title. You have the 3 buttons, 4 buttons. The red one is just to close other windows. And you can watch the conversation. You have 3 hashtags that are created from editors. You can dynamically add a new hashtag in the stream, and you can just pushing these watch the hashtags. That's a problem of visualization for the projector. And these are real hashtags now on the stream. And if Federico can add the comment, please. It should appear. It doesn't appear. Everyone says, oh, thank you. And you can go back and you can close the windows. And I have also, if you want, if I have time, if I succeed in closing this is the admin for the for creating new videos or editing the one that we are watching. We can add an hashtag to the conversation, and when you come back here, I hope it should appear there. Thank you.